Hey guys, so today I'm going to attempt to make some salmon in my air fryer. I'm going to be seasoning it with lemon pepper, Old Bay seasoning, and Italian seasoning. And I'm going to toss it in a tablespoon of olive oil, and then I'm going to put it in the air fryer and see how it comes out. So we've gone ahead and added all our seasonings to the salmon and the olive oil, and we're just going to rub it around to season it, and then we're going to lay them in the air fryer. So let's hope that all these pieces can actually fit. If not, I will do it in 2 batches. It actually does not look like it will all fit, so we're gonna do it in 2 batches. So we're gonna put the air fryer on 400 and for 10 minutes. So it smells like it's starting to burn a little bit. So I'm gonna check it. No, it's actually good. It only has a minute left anyway, so. Okay, so it stopped now. So let's see. Still sizzling. Looks great though. Smells pretty good too. I think it's perfect. Come on, don't break. Ah, ow, it broke. Boo. But as you can see, it's cooked inside. You know, it looks perfect. So since it broke, I might as well test it. Okay, it's pretty good, pretty tender. So I'm gonna go ahead and make the other 2 pieces now. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.